personality.
He is the person who can work hard, round the clock, restlessly to achieve desired goal.
He is the person who is having very good sixth sense and can predict right goal and achieve it by maximum efficient work.
He is taking care of all family members, his employees and person associated with him.
In short, we can say this is the personality who is having all the pratibha to do such an activity with his better half is also having name as Pratibha.
So friends, the company, a brainchild of Mr. P.N. Trivedi, was established in 1988 with a small setup in Vadodara with sole intent of providing quality service in the field of electrical engineering by name of Pratibha Engineering Services.
Initially, it was operated from home and business was commenced from surrounding industries like Nandesari, Pagodia, Halol with small and medium scale industries having order value of 100 rupees to 10,000 rupees maximum.
We are thankful to the companies like Bakul Chemical, Ashok Organic, Taskant Oil, Link Pharma, Jivan Chemical, Sriji Color Chem, Alembic and many more who initially supported a lot to establish business very strongly.
Yes, development is a continuous process. We diversified our services in the different areas like chartered engineer, consulting engineer, inspection engineer, valuer and many more. Company had provided voluntarily value-added service to the industries. It was time frame of year 1988 to 1993.
In the year 1993, company has completed almost 5 years. And with good thought, company segregated its professional activity with a new name, Trivedi and Associate, apart from Pratibha Engineering Services.
On account of activities under proprietary firm, we have commenced new activities like tank calibration and instrument calibration work. In the year 1995, we had been recognized as a competent person by Chief Factory Inspector and started to serve the industries as a competent person as per various sections and rules.
In 1998, company got opportunity to work with the corporate giants. Company had established its branch office at Jamnagar with all modest infrastructure. It was a turning point for the company to execute work with Indian multinational companies as per the national as well as international standard at a large level.
Yes, during these relations, we established very strong and dynamic team to cater India's big corporate giants like Reliance, SR, Tata, NTPC, GAIL and many more. Finally, this small setup took a big shape as a private limited company on the day 1st September 1999 with more meaningful name as Messrs. Trivedi and Associates Technical Services Private Limited.
Sir, I am proud of my life partner who arrived in our family in 1999 and wholeheartedly supported for our professional activities too.
It was also a turning point of my life and I am proud to be having a member of this parivar.
In the year 2000, when Energy and Petrochemical Department emphasizing industries to execute energy audit as a mandatory, Messrs. T&A-TSPL took initiation to execute it and company got license of energy auditor.
We are thankful to Sri Khumri Sahib, Sri K.M. Patel Sahib and Mr. A.R. Parikh who has given us value-added guidance. Also, company has been entitled as a lift inspection agency in the year 2001 by Energy and Petrochemical Department.
To give more quality of services with systematic and professional approach, company had made efforts and got an accreditation of ISO 9000 in the year 2002. We are happy to inform you that ours was a unique service provider company which was awarded ISO 9000 title at that time.
In the year 2004, Messrs. T&A-TSPL had been recognized as a competent person under SMPV rules by Chief Controller of Explosive, Nagpur. With the blessing of Almighty and supporters like all of you and technocrats' technical knowledge, company has geared up its professional services by satisfying industrial community by every ways and means.
Based on need of industries in the field of safety, company had commenced service in the field of safety. So various departments were set up among the company, and safety audit, electrical safety audit, on-site emergency plan, hazard study activities were started.
So, since last decade, we are rendering our technical services in the various industrial zones like government sector, public sector, private sector, small, medium and large scale industries. When it was come into our knowledge that training and knowledge sharing are the important and vital factors which affect the safety, we have started our separate training division in the year 2008 as per section 111A of Gujarat. Here I would like to share that we were imparting training since 2003 also.
Sir, our training department is actively working and we are organizing monthly training on different subjects for safety regulation and other knowledge sharing topic with our scholar orators. We are also organizing mega events at Vadodara, Bharuch as well as Kutch region. Division also updating the website by circulating Technotrend quarterly published journal.
While working with the industry, it is observed that it is very hard and difficult task to find some accurate and precise technical data which are required to arrive at some reliable conclusion in the field of design, maintenance and safety for any engineer. Generally, these data are available only in government gazettes as well as departmental publications which are not freely available to one and all in the hour and need of safety.
So, company have started and published compilation of the books which may useful as a professional companion to the engineers of any discipline. In the last decade, company have published more than 6 numbers of such reference book in alternative years since 2004.
Like T&A-TSPL, our group company Pratibha Engineering Services also has progressed in vertical direction, which has never left stone unturned by satisfying all the valued clients with which they are engaged here.
Mrs. Pratibha Engineering Services also achieved lots of during this journey.